I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota RAV4 key battery. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy battery replacement process for your key fob. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually near the key ring attachment point. Insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take care not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Before removing it, notice which side is facing up. This is important for correct reinstallation. Carefully pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing the same direction as the old one. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure everything is working correctly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.